Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data, and in this video I'm going to show you how to report on your website's landing pages in Google Analytics 4, or GA4 for short. If you've been using Google Analytics for a while, then it's easy to find your landing pages in your existing Universal Analytics property, but it's a bit harder in Google Analytics 4. So let's head to Google Analytics and take a look. Okay, so we're looking at a Universal Analytics property, and it's really easy to report on landing pages in this type of property. You just need to select Behavior, then Site Content, and then Landing Pages. And this lets us report on the first pages people view in each session. But there's no landing pages report in Google Analytics 4. So how do we understand the first pages people view? Let's open a GA4 property. Okay, this is my demo property, and we start by selecting Engagement. The engagement reports let us understand what people are doing on our website. This includes the pages they view. So let's select Pages and Screens. We can now see the different pages people are engaging with, but this is reported by views, which isn't the same as the landing pages report we looked at previously. We can also see that the report shows us our pages based on page title by default. So let's start by changing this to the URLs of our pages. To do this, we select Page Title and Screen Class, and change this to Page Path and Screen Class. We're still seeing pages by views, so let's scroll to the right and select all events under Event Count. Now we're going to change this to Session Start. This now lets us see the pages that people view as they start a session on our website. We can now see the pages people view first, our landing pages. And to reorder the report so your top landing pages are reported first, we just need to click on the heading for the column. This reorders our report so we can see our top landing pages first. If you'd like to customize the report further, then you can create your own landing pages report in your Google Analytics 4 property. To do this, let's select Analysis and then Analysis Hub. We can now select the option to create an exploration report. We need to click the plus sign next to Dimensions and enable the Page Path dimension. Then we can replace the existing row with the Page Path dimension. Now let's remove the device category from columns. And we need to click the plus sign next to Metrics. Then we need to enable the Sessions metric. And we can add it to our report. We can now see our top landing pages. And if you like, you could customize the report further by including additional metrics like new users, engagement rate, and conversions. And if you'd like to learn more about Google Analytics 4, then check out my course. You can find details in the description below this video. So that's how you can report on the landing pages for your website in Google Analytics 4. Remember, you have the option of modifying the standard pages report, or you can create your own landing pages report in the Analysis Hub. You will find some of the metrics are different when comparing a Universal Analytics property to a GA4 property. This is because of the different data models used between GA4 properties and Universal Analytics. Have you checked your top landing pages in GA4? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this. See you next time.